Hi, Professor. Sharon Schroeder here. Today is March 19th, 2023. This is the results for Lab 3, the bacterial enumeration dilution plate count. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have my 10 labeled agar plates. For this experiment, I don't know if this was how it was supposed to turn out, but here is plate 1, the first part of the dilution. It looks to be like a milky-ish, whitish substance. I don't see any growth of anything going on this one. And this was the one that was the least diluted. Here is the second plate. Now that I'm looking at it, I see kind of a little bit of growth in there. There's that one. This is plate 3. So you see some more growth going on in there. It's pretty cool. Here is 4. Plate 4. I see some little spores or little raised pinpoint spots on this one. And I did find, after evaluating these 48 hours after the initial experiment, that I didn't really see any growth. So I let them sit for about, I would say almost 72 hours in total. And it's kind of amazing what one more day will do for these plates. This one has significant growth in it, which I'm finding that for this experiment, and as well as the other experiment, what was I going to say? Sometimes the more diluted the specimen is, the easier it is to see the colonies. I don't know if that's a good observation, but here is the last plate, plate 6, and pretty clear to see the little colonies that have grown there, which is, you know, now that I'm looking at it on the video, I could see it much better than if I'm just looking at it straight on. This is more of a clearish color, whereas the ones that are less diluted have a little bit more of a milky color. So again, I feel like this applies to real life because with time and different elements with I kept it pretty warm in my house because we're supposed to keep it at the, certain temperature. So it just goes to show that growth really does occur in warmer conditions. I don't think I had any errors going into this. I was pretty careful and read through the instructions quite a few times to make sure I was doing the right thing. So this is my results for Lab 3, and thank you.